Today I'm going to do the install of SdrGlut onto the Raspberry Pi. SdrGlut is a software-defined radio, and it uses GLUT and GLUT for its dialogues, which makes it tiny compared to the programs that use Qt5 or WX widgets. The first step in doing the installation is to install RtAudio. There's another video called How to Install RtAudio on the Raspberry Pi that describes how to do that. And as the last step of RtAudio, you move the include file into a new directory. So you create a new directory called include RtAudio, paste that, and then you copy the RtAudio.h into that directory. And that gets the RtAudio where SdrGlut wants it to be. And so that's the first step. And then now you have to install a number of libraries. The first thing you want to do is do a apt-get update. And that updates all of the Raspberry Pi libraries. And then you need to do some installs. You install the OpenAL, libopenal, and then you install freeglut3.dav. And then libalut, and then SdrGlut, libsoapysdr. And finally, libliquid-dev. And then you clone SdrGlut from the GitHub right half plane. So we copy this in. Copy it, paste it, and so this is cloning the project SdrGlut from GitHub, and it takes a little while to do that. I don't know why it takes so long, but it's not really that big. Normally it takes a couple of seconds. The Wi-Fi on this Lime Mini is not terribly fast. Okay, and that does it. And then we go into SdrGlut. the subdirectory that it's created. And then we do a make on makefileRaspbian. Let's up the number of processors. Since we're on a Pi 4, I can up the number of processors to 4 to speed things up on the compilation. I hate it giving these warnings, but it's giving meaningless warnings, mostly. And there it's got it built. And so now to run it, we just do sdrglut.h. And here it gives you a list of the modules that are installed. So it's got about the modules installed for 10 devices or something like that. And if I go over here to radio, it shows the Lime Mini that I have hooked up here. And so there it's running the Lime Mini. And there we go. And there it's playing the FM band. And so that's the basic installation of SdrGlut onto the Lime Mini.